there, this is Joan-Marie Domino, and I'm hanging out with my friends at Vippies Designs. Vippies has a napkin shop, www.vippies.com, filled with hundreds of napkins for your decoupage, for your Mod Podge, for your paper crafting. In this video, I'm going to show you just some of them, but I'm also going to give you some ideas on what you can do with these napkins as well. Let's get started. We're going to start out with some farm napkins with farm animals on it. And this one is very cute. All 4 panels are printed. Vippies put in this nice line of napkins. They're a little bit unusual. Here's a rooster. Rooster's very popular already. It's only been on for a few days. All 4 panels are printed. Here is a returning favorite. Look how cute they are. That's why everybody loves it, with the donkeys and the geese. All 4 panels are printed. Now here's another one of those newer designs of the mallard in the water. All 4 panels are printed. And now we have a crazy hare. Okay, if he showed up in your yard and ate your flowers, could you really be mad at that face? I don't think so. A beautiful deer. We have several woodland creatures. Look at all the little butterflies in the antlers. And all 4 panels are printed. Another deer in the forest with nice muted colors. This one's a little bit more realistic. All 4 panels are printed. And now we're on to some pets. Look at that little kitten sleeping. Oh, he's so cute. All 4 panels are printed. And look at this cute little puppy. This puppy looks like Evie. And if you know who Evie is, then you have been visiting my Facebook page. All 4 panels are printed. This is a magnificent napkin. It's got these beautiful blue whales, and when you open it up, you're going to see that 2 panels will give a panoramic view, and you'll get 2 of them. Here's another one with some beautiful fish, watercolors, a little bit different with the seaweed, and it's the same thing as the whales. You're going to see 2 panels go together for 1 picture. This one, it says, be honest, be silly, be kind. I like that. Open it up. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of them. This one is just lovely. The print is a light tan on a denim blue background, but it's not just denim blue. It's actually like denim fabric. It's really pretty. Next up we have is another bee one with a continuous pattern. This is very simple, white and yellow, and we're going to open it up. The pattern goes all the way across all 4 panels. Nothing is cut off. Now here's a really cute napkin. It's got the bee, a bigger bee in the center, and you have the same bee with some florals along the border. All 4 panels are printed, but look, Vippies Designs brought this in a larger size as well. And I'm going to open this up and show you that this also has 1 continuous print. It goes across all 6 panels. Nothing is cut off, and you've got to love that. And they got it in 2 sizes. I think they know you're going to love it. So there's your choices for that. Now, this is a very crisp white napkin with gray silver bees. This napkin Vippies has in 2 sizes. This is a longer napkin, and all 6 panels are printed. All right, here's an idea for you. In my last YouTube video, I showed you how you can take these beautiful napkins from Vippies Designs. This is one of their new designs with the bee, and turn them into greeting cards. We call these napkin cards. That's the napkin that I use. I stamped the inside. It's a really easy method to do. I even did the envelope flap. Check out that video. I'm going to start with this napkin. It has a nice bright white background, a little bee with some lemons. All 4 panels are printed. This napkin has a beautiful aqua blue background with lemon slices and white flowers. The print on this napkin is extended across all 4 of the panels, meaning nothing is cut off. Next up is a similar napkin, but the background is like a light violet blue with the lemons and the pink rose. Really nice contrast. And when you open, you can see that the print on this one is also extended across all 4 panels. Now, this next napkin, all I could think of was summer. The black and the white and the lemons. I'm thinking I'm walking down the boardwalk and I see an awning like this with the black and the white stripes. And what do they sell there? They sell lemonade there. That's all I could think of when I saw this. It feels so summery to me. Now, this one also has a pattern that extends across all 4 panels, which means nothing is cut off. Now, here are some lemons hanging in a tree, and there are some florals there too. And I would say this is a very muted watercolor with a bright white background. And you can see that the pattern and the leaves and lemons go right across all 4 panels. And you're going to get 2 of these. Now, this is a lemon printed on a blue check, and you're going to see that the check goes across all 6 panels, but the lemon is printed on 2 panels. This next napkin has a lot going on. We have our lemon slices. It's on a dark blue background. There's a little bit of check in there. It's got a white splatter paint and some white flowers. Now, with this, when you open it up, you actually have a continuous pattern on 3 panels instead of all 6, but still gives you lots of options because you can work with a bigger piece of napkin. So it's very pretty. It's different than the other ones too. It's a nice napkin. Lots of good ideas for that. Here's another one with lemons hanging in a tree. With this one this one has bright pink flowers. And I believe that you are going to get 2 of these. It means you're going to get a set. And you know what? I'm going to show you what you can do with these napkins and a bottle of Mod Podge. This is just a tin can I took out of recycle, and I used that napkin, the lemon napkin, and I put it on the can using Mod Podge glue. What I did is I created a piece of decor. I could put this in my home. I can give this as a gift. I've got a video that will take you step by step so you can decoupage cans too. This seahorse is absolutely magnificent, and he's large. Look, he's as big as my hand. Now, if you have ever seen those Dollar Tree glass candles, they're really tall and thin, this napkin would be perfect for that. Here's a nice, cute little napkin. It says Nautical Supply Company. Now, I'm thinking coasters or little signs. All 4 panels are printed. If you like retro and doing retro decoupage, this van with the surfboards and that cruiser bike is absolutely perfect. All 4 panels are printed. Now, this napkin just definitely says, to me anyway, Nantucket. It's beautiful. 2 panels give a panoramic view of the sea line with some seagulls. So all 4 panels are printed. This napkin is so much fun with all these flip-flops on and all these different colors. And when you open it, look at this. The pattern extends all the way across, and you're going to get 2 of them. Here's another beachy one with the sand, that little path going out there to the shore. Set up your blanket and your umbrella, and you're going to get 2 of them. Now, for your true nautical lovers, these next few napkins are just fabulous. This one, it has all these little prints on it, and it extends across all of the napkin. Nothing is cut off, so you can use all of those little images in your napkin project, and you get 2 of them. This napkin has a beautiful lighthouse and that rosy colored sky, red sky at night, right? You're going to get 2 of them. Here's another lighthouse. This one has a vintage feel because it's got that planking in the background, and you're going to get 2 of those. Now, here's a guy. He gets to hang out at the beach all of the time. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of them. Here's another napkin card I made. This time I used a seagull napkin, and once again, I stamped a sentiment on the inside. The first floral has that nice lamp and a wisteria bush. Looks like it's in front of a house. All 4 panels are printed. This napkin is a collage napkin. Collage napkins give you lots of options, and this napkin has 2 different panels, so all 4 panels are printed. I love napkins like this with these little prints all over it. It's perfect if you like doing rocks or you need to fill in little empty spots. That's a great napkin. If you like tulips, wow, this napkin is covered with tulips. And you know what I love about it? When you open it up, 2 panels give you like 1 tulip garden. And guess what? I've got a cute idea for you. I found some wooden butterflies at the Dollar Tree. I painted it white and then I decoupaged a piece of this napkin on it and I added a little bead. It was so much fun, a fairly simple project too. Here's another floral napkin. You're going to get 2 of these. All 4 panels are printed and I got an idea. I took a Dollar Tree egg and I decoupaged that beautiful napkin onto it and created some Easter decor. Vippies Designs has hundreds and hundreds of napkins. Make sure you visit their website, www.vippies.com. You can like and follow them on Facebook, and like and follow me on Facebook, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino, and subscribe and follow me on YouTube.